When we say of intersection, the number or the letter or the element is present in both sets. Let's have an example. We have here two sets, set Y and set Z. The elements of Y are the following. And the elements of Z are the following. We will now find letters that are both in Y and Z. Letter A is present on Y and it is also present on Z. It is a part of the intersection. Letter C is found on Y as well on Z. It is a part of the intersection. Letter E is found on Y as well as on Z. It is a part of the intersection. The elements now for Y intersection of Z are the following. We have A, C, and E. And the elements now for Y union of Z are all the letters in Y and Z. Although A here appears on both Y and Z, we will only write once. And we have B and C, D, E, and F. These are the elements or letters that are on Y union of Z, and these are the elements that are on Y intersection of Z. And these are our final answers.